Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to fix something a lot of iPhone users find really annoying. After recent iOS updates, every time you take a screenshot, you get this huge full screen preview. It covers your whole display and you have to tap that button in the top right to decide whether to save it, delete it, or share it. For many people, that's just unnecessary and slows things down. Luckily, there is a super simple way to turn this off. Go to the settings, general, and then screen capture. Here you'll see a toggle called full screen previews. Just switch it off. Now, when you take a screenshot, it will only appear as a small thumbnail in the bottom left corner. After a couple of seconds, it slides away automatically, which means it's saved to photos, or you can tap it quickly if you want to edit or share it. That's it. A clean, fast way to make screenshot much less annoying. Thanks for watching.